So now we will be solving question number 1 from exercise 2 of your phase 1 forces and the laws of motion chapter. Okay, this is a multiple option correct question. So a block of mass 10 kg is suspended through two light spring balances. So this is one spring and this is second spring, and there's a mass 10 kg which is suspending through it. We have to calculate the readings of these scales. So there are two scales. We have to calculate how much reading they will show. Spring balance system. Now, regarding the spring balance system, always remember when it comes to the spring balance system, the reading of spring balance system is corresponding to the tension. Whatever tension will be generated in the spring, whatever tension will be generated within the spring, that tension will be coming as the reading. The spring mass system will not be measuring this mass, it will be measuring whatever tension which is being created. Okay. Now, both of these springs are ideal springs. Since these are ideal springs, they are massless. So when I calculate the tension, if I make the FBD for this much system, if I make the FBD for this much system, the whole mass of this much system is 10 kg. If I make the FBD of this much system, 10 kg, which is 10 types of G, will be acting downward, and G, which is, and the tension will be in upward direction. This tension is caused by the upper spring. The system is at rest. So onto this system, there's only two forces which are acting. Mg is acting downward and tension is acting upward. Acceleration is 0. So tension comes out to be 10G. So this is the tension in the first spring. Let's call it T1. This is first one. Now, when I look at the second spring, if I want to see the second spring, in that case, I have to make this as a system. But the thing is, if you make this as a system, still the mass of the system is still 10 kg. And this system will also be experiencing two forces, mg downward, tension upward. But this time the tension will be coming from this second spring. So if I make the FBD of this system, T2 will be upward direction, this T1 will be become T2. Mg will be acting downward, which will be same 10G. And acceleration will still be 0. When you calculate, the T2 will also be coming out to be 10G. So tension in the second spring and the tension in the first spring is same. That is 10G. If the tension is same and the spring mass system measures the tension, any system which is based upon the spring measures the tension and tension is same. So both the readings are going to be same in this case. So option A, both the scales will read 10 kg. Okay, that's the right answer. Okay, thank you.